So I didn't mean to turn it off, but it turned off anyway. So we're going to go back to this again. Well, here's the problem. So the problem is Miss Sloan did not use the correct way of doing this, and she didn't square it where it needed to be because all her stuff's all jumbled up together. So let's see if the first one, if we can do it right this time, because see, Miss Sloan, she missed the square. This little square right here is a lot, right? Because that's what this formula says here. It says it should be a square. So alpha y, alpha y inner, that's going to be, open bracket, 88.0, and then I'm going to close a bracket, open bracket, 2.10, down, 2.50, and then I'm going to square it and enter. That's where I got my 29.6 from. Duh. Next one. Here's my second problem. There's another square there. I have it on the side, so I didn't look at it. So open bracket, 86.5, whoops, alpha y enter, open bracket, 86.5, open bracket, 13.2, close bracket, and better square that bad boy again, and 377. That gives me the 40 that I had originally. This one here has another square that Miss Sloan didn't see. So, alpha y enter, and then I'm going to do open bracket 18.5, 1.80. I better square that bad boy this time. 1.50, and guess what? I got my 39.96. And then the last one is just basically what it is. It's 35. So when I'm looking at this, I have my radius is this number here, 3.25. So if I want to convert that from kilometers to meters, and that's what I needed to do there. So if I did, if I just went through and I changed it, say that I want 3.25 times 10 to the third power, okay, and I want a real number. So 3.25 times 10 caret 3, enter, there's a real number. So if I take that, and then I take my 2 pi, I got another real number. So if I did 32.50 divided by a second answer, and then if I did square root, square root of this answer, I get 2.27. But here is a problem that we have here. What in the world is going on with this right here? So let's look. If my radius times my force centrifugal, that's that number, isn't it? So let's see if I can do it all together here, because this right here is my formula, everything together. So if I do square root, and I do alpha y enter, and I do 3.25 times 10 caret 3 down, 2, and then my pi, right? This tells me that I'll need to multiply this by this, because this right here is just my radius by itself, right guys? And so then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to do alpha y, or can I, instead of doing that, can I just go here and then add my open bracket 2140. And can I go down to the bottom and just add in my 9.8, 90.5, enter? Well, I get 110, and that's not it. So let's think here. Let's try this. Let's do square root. Let's do alpha y, enter. Let's do 3.25 times 10 caret 3 down, and then our 2 pi. Go over here, and let's multiply. Alpha y, enter. Let's do 2140. And then let's go down here and do 90.5 over close bracket. I still get 110. So I'm going to say that right now I'm going to stay with 110. I'm going to say that the answer to that is 110.594773 for the last problem. If it is different, I will let you know. I have reached out to my friend Miss Lewis, and I've asked her to do the problem just to make sure I was doing it right, and she will get back with me. I hope you have a blessed day.